Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Cześć jak się masz, and Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, Bon Noel, and in Welsh it is, I can't remember. Anyway, Merry Christmas everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a very Christmas themed Lego video for you guys, which is Lego set 40573, which is this Christmas tree. So there are many different types of the Christmas trees out there. There's a more expensive one that you can open up and everything, and that's fantastic. But I thought I'd go for kind of like a basic one that's been out for a couple of years now. This I got from Smith's, and it was on offer, and I believe it was just under 30 quid, so that's not bad. And it is a genuine Lego set for you guys today, which is a rarity. Genuine Lego. Don't get genuine Lego very often. Right, let's open the box. Now you can see this is an older set because the packets are still in plastic and not the paper. There we go, that's the box empty. Genuine instructions, which means that I won't have to struggle with the matching of the colors. And now this one is a 2-in-1 set. You can either make the big Christmas tree, or you can do, oh sorry, here we go, that's the big Christmas tree, or you can do this one, which is the bigger and smaller Christmas tree. So it makes this one smaller, and then you also get an additional little tree. But I'm just going to make the one big tree. We have got perhaps these don't get numbered, do they? No, it's just to empty the contents of the entire bag. Right, okay, so I'm going to try, if it's possible, let me get some of the plastic containers I use, and let's put them in here rather than them going all over the floor, because there's some teeny weeny little pieces. Okay guys, so I've got all the pieces in their boxes. Let's crack on and start building. Get you guys over me and we can crack on. Okay guys, so there we go. I have now put the tree together. It looks really, really nice, as you just seen. I really do like it. It looks fantastic. There was a lot of bits left over because obviously you can make the smaller one, so there's extra decorations and things. But I put as many of the bits as I could onto the tree so it could fill it up a little bit more. I mean, that's the whole point of Lego. It's your creation. It's your ideas. So I added more of the decorations on and bits left over just to use them up and to make it look a bit more fuller. So I really do like that. It's beautiful. So yeah, not a super expensive set, but it's going to go on the coffee table for Christmas and then go away. So it's quite easy to take it apart so that you can store it. And if any of the bits come off it, that's not a problem. I'll put some bubble wrap around it. But yeah, absolutely fantastic little set. If you do like it, I would recommend the ages on it. It's not a super complicated one. I don't know what the age limit so yeah, over threes. I don't know, but anyway, so there we go guys. Thank you very much for watching this. I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in 2026. So thank you very much for watching this year and supporting me. I really do appreciate it. Things still aren't sort of like good, but never mind. I'll speak to you guys in the next episode. Bye y'all.